Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, we learn some more vocabulary related to the B2 level. So let's start with today's word charts and vocabulary. If you have not seen previous videos, so please go to the playlist of B2 level or B1 level as per your requirement and watch all the videos. It might help you. So today's topic is Wohnung. When you take a Wohnung, an apartment on a rent, you can find these words. These words are very important for you if you are going to rent a Wohnung, apartment or a flat. In Germany, these words are very important for a student or for any person who are coming outside. So these words we'll see, and then with a suitable verb. So you can say verb noun combination. As I always say, it is very important vocabulary. You must know the suitable verb for each noun. So first one is Demeter. Demeter is rent. So what can we say? Demeter is hoch. If the rent is very high, we don't say teuer. I have seen it's a very common mistake. Demeter is hoch. Hoch. Meter is hoch. Very high. Ich finde Demeter hoch. I find the rent very high. Sorry, I cannot take this. I cannot pay this much rent. Demeter. Demeter is hoch. Or the verb is bezahlen. Ich möchte die Miete bezahlen. You can say bezahlen to pay. You pay the rent. Die Miete bezahlen, to pay the rent. Or what else you can write? Die Miete bezahlen. Die Miete ist hoch. Then die Kaution. The word is die Kaution. Obviously, when you find the Wohnung, Sie suchen eine Wohnung, you need the help. Sometimes you find on internet. Nowadays internet is very good medium. You can find a Wohnung, or you take the help of a broker. We say Makler. I have written. We'll come to that. Makler means broker. So die Kaution bezahlen. Kaution means commission. Okay, the commission you provide. The Kaution or provision. So here I will do the correction. Provision means commission and Kaution means security amount. We pay 2 months security or 1 month security in advance. So die Kaution bezahlen. Okay, in advance. Kaution bezahlen. Again, you pay the security amount. Kaution means security amount and provision means commission. We pay the provision to the makler. We pay commission to the property dealer, makler. In German we say makler. Makler, provision, commission, because they have the commission. It is their source of earning. It's a profession. People help you in finding the Wohnung and they ask you for certain amount, maybe 1 month rent, 3 weeks rent or 2 weeks rent. It depends upon your agreement. So provision, also bezahlen. You pay the provision. And also you pay the Kaution, security amount, as I said. 2 month security, 1 month security. It depends again on the agreement. What kind of agreement you have with the Vermieter, landlord. So Kaution bezahlen. Then we have Nebenkosten. Nebenkosten is called extra cost. Zusätzliche Kosten. Some, for example, for water, electricity. So Sie bezahlen Nebenkosten. Zusätzliche Kosten. We say zusätzliche. Extra cost. Zusätzliche Kosten. Zum Beispiel Wasser, Strom. Okay. For electricity and for water, you have to pay the bill. So that is called Nebenkosten. In Germany, you pay for internet, for radio. Okay. You must have radio connection at your home. This is must in Germany, and you have to pay certain euro. I think 20 euro nowadays per month. You have to pay for the radio connection. You must have radio in your home, whether it is rented or your own house. So you have to pay. So it is Nebenkosten, extra cost. Zusätzliche Kosten. For example, Wasser, Strom, energy, okay, electricity bill and water bill. This is called Zusätzliche Kosten. Then we have Umzug. Umzug means shifting. Obviously, you live in India and now you are going to shift in Germany. So Umzug, you plan your Umzug. Organize, Umzug planen. Umzug planen or organisieren. How will you plan your shifting. We take the help of certain companies now. There are certain companies that help you, okay, in shifting. They will keep your all the stuff safe and they will take with you without any damage. So there is an agreement between you and the company, so that help you. So Umzugplanen, ich möchte meinen Umzug planen, den Umzug planen, okay, Akkusativ, like die Provision, Akkusativ, bezahlen, die Kaution, okay, security amount to pay, and Mieter, die Mieter, Rent. Umzug planen, organisieren. Ich möchte Umzug planen. Ich fahre nach Deutschland im November. Ich möchte meinen Umzug planen. I would like to go to Germany in November and I want to plan my Umzug, my shifting, okay, from one place to another. Then we have Mietvertrag. You know Mietvertrag? There are two words, Miet and Vertrag, rent agreement. Miet and Vertrag. So Mietvertrag, you do an agreement with the landlord. You are, okay, tenant and you do Mietvertrag with your landlord. So Mietvertrag, you can say Mietvertrag haben, or you sign an agreement, Unterschreiben. The verb is Unterschreiben. When you sign, when we have a mutual understanding, suppose I want to take 2 BHK flat on rent, so I will have a talk, then we have an agreement with the landlord, so I'll sign the agreement, Unterschreiben, okay, ich unterschreibe einen Mietvertrag, okay, I sign one rent agreement, Mietvertrag, Unterschreiben, to sign an agreement. Then the Anzeige, definitely advertisement, okay, wir suchen eine Wohnung in der Anzeige, as I said, online sometimes, nowadays wir suchen Wohnung online, wir suchen Wohnung in der Anzeige, in the advertisement, we find so many apartments, sometimes we find direct landlord, so there is no makler, there is no broker, so we save our brokerage, we don't have to pay extra for that, so that's why people want to connect directly with the landlord. So Anzeige, wir finden, wir suchen die Wohnung in der Anzeige, we find and we search an apartment or flat in the advertisement. We also find online, wir suchen online, ich finde online, suche gut. Then Makler is broker, I said broker, okay, you have to pay certain amount to the broker. The Hausordnung means there are certain rules. When you go to the new society, in the new flat, there are certain rules, okay, you may not come after 10 p.m, you have to be there within, okay, this particular time framework, you have to clean your, okay, common areas, you have to look after your common area. There are certain Hausordnung, rules and regulations, certain rules in the society or in the apartment, that's called Hausordnung einhalten, to take care, you must take care of these rules, so that is einhalten, separable verb. Ich halte die Hausordnung. Ich halte die Hausordnung. I take care, okay? I live up to that. I don't break, okay? Die Hausordnung einhalten. There are certain more verbs that I would like to write here. Anzeige aufgeben. Anzeige aufgeben means to publish. Aufgeben, to publish an advertisement. Suppose I am landlord. I have a flat. I want to give on rent, so I am searching a tenant. Ich gebe eine Anzeige aufgeben, to publish an advertisement, so that I get the tenant without any broker, without any makler, because sometimes landlord also want to connect directly with the tenant and vice versa, same, tenant also look for, okay, the direct owner without any makler, so we publish advertisement as a landlord. Ich gebe eine Anzeige aufgeben here means to publish an advertisement, an Anzeige aufgeben, remember, okay, aufgeben. Then we have Wohnung renovieren, okay, Wohnung renovieren, we renovate our Wohnung, renovate our Wohnung, apartment we have to renovate, okay, whitewash and all that, we look after, maintenance, renovieren. And then Mieter also take Überweisen, bank transfer. Überweisen means bank transfer. Sometimes landlords lives in another city and he says, okay, you can transfer me the rent. Okay, this is my account number. You can do NEFT or any other mode. I want online transfer or I want the direct bank transfer. This is my account number. This is my account details. So please, okay, send me the rent through bank account. Überweisen, transfer. When you transfer the amount through bank account. So Demeter Überweisen. Ich überweise Demeter. Okay, online transfer, bank transfer. Überweisen. Erhöhen also to increase. You know, there are certain rules that rent will be increased every year 5% or 10% or 20%. Again, it depends upon Vertrag, Mietvertrag, depend upon your rent agreement, what is written in the beginning. So, erhöhen, the rent is increased, erhöhen, every year, 5% or 10%. So, Demeter erhöhen. So, these are all the vocabulary related to the Wohnung apartment. I hope you find it interesting. Any question for any query, please write us email germanclass70@gmail.com. This you can find below in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.